If you're storing credit card information for your customers and clients, as a merchant, you're responsible for protecting those numbers. In fact, there's very strict governmental security standards at play, so it's something you need to take very seriously. In QuickBooks, you can turn on something called credit card protection. It's a built-in system in QuickBooks that allows you to follow these security protocols. When you turn on this protection, you'll be required to create a much more complex password for you and any other user who asks permission to view the credit card data. You'll also be required to change that password every 90 days. To turn it on, select Company from the top of the screen and choose Customer Credit Card Protection. Click the blue Enable Protection button, and the first thing you'll need to do is change your password to a much more complex one. Click Confirm, and QuickBooks will tell you that you've now enabled sensitive data protection in QuickBooks. You'll need to change that password for any user that accesses customer credit card information. It's reminding you that you'll also be prompted to change it every 90 days. Once you click on OK, QuickBooks will close and reopen, and that's all it takes to help protect your customers' sensitive credit card data.